DOWAN 10 ounces Porcelain Ramekins provide the perfect solution for bakers looking to elevate their dessert presentation. These versatile dishes are specifically crafted to be oven safe, making them ideal for creating restaurant-quality creme brulee, individual souffles, or perfectly baked puddings. Their professional-grade porcelain construction ensures even heat distribution, guaranteeing consistent results for every recipe you attempt. The durable design of these containers makes them incredibly practical for everyday kitchen use. Beyond just baking, you can easily utilize these vessels as dipping sauce cups, appetizer servers, or small snack bowls. Because DOWAN 10 ounces Porcelain Ramekins are built to withstand high temperatures in daily wear, they remain a reliable staple in your cupboard for years, maintaining their clean, soft white finish through countless cycles in the dishwasher and microwave. Efficiency meets elegance with this set of 6, which offers enough capacity to serve a small group or family with ease. Whether you are hosting a formal dinner party or simply preparing a quick treat at home, the classic aesthetic fits seamlessly into any table setting. By choosing DOWAN 10 ounces Porcelain Ramekins, you invest in a high-quality product that simplifies your cooking process while helping you achieve professional, delicious results for all your favorite culinary creations. Pros: versatile for various dishes, sturdy and durable porcelain, lead-free and healthy, microwave and oven-safe, dishwasher and freezer-safe, easy-to-clean surface, stackable design saves space, stable and prevents wobbling, classic and elegant style, safe for transit packaging. Cons: limited shipping location availability, no featured offers available. Features: 10 ounces capacity, oven-safe porcelain, set of 6 soft white finish, ideal for creme brulee, perfect for souffle, versatile baking dishes, small dessert bowls, dipping sauce cups. DOWAN 10 oz Porcelain Ramekins provide the perfect solution for bakers looking to elevate their dessert presentation. These versatile dishes are specifically crafted to be oven safe, making them ideal for creating restaurant-quality creme brulee, individual souffles, or perfectly baked puddings. Their professional-grade porcelain construction ensures even heat distribution, guaranteeing consistent results for every recipe you attempt. DOWAN 10 ounces Porcelain Ramekins offer a versatile and durable solution for baking and serving desserts. With a lead-free, stackable, and stable design that is safe for use in ovens, microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers. While these dishes provide an elegant aesthetic and are easy to clean, potential buyers may face challenges due to limited shipping availability and a lack of currently featured offers for the set of 6.